Boy, I sure could go for a little snack. I'm gonna grab my banana. Oh, what happened to it? Don't be a victim of office refrigerator theft. Protect your fruits and vegetables. I hope nobody took my banana this time. Yeah, that's security. Here's how I etched the banana. I started out in Photoshop and mocked up just a quick little property of and put the CNC at Home logo on there. I saved that as a JPEG. I imported that into LaserGerbil, the free software that comes with the Genmitsu LE5040. I set my speed to 1000 millimeters per minute, the power at 1024, and 4 lines per millimeter for the cutting accuracy. I had it generate the CNC code and ran that on the LE5040. Before we start cutting the banana, I want to make sure that it's relatively lined up with our laser's x-axis. So I'm going to run a little macro that'll run the laser back and forth a couple times. That looked good. Let's go ahead and start the cutting process.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.